Hey guys, are you looking for a perfect cocktail to have for Valentine's Day? Then look no further, you're in the right place. My name's Johnny and this is Simple Drinks, and welcome my friends. Today I'm going to show you 4 recipes perfect for Valentine's Day, so make sure you watch this video till the end because your Valentines will love these. So let's get it started. First cocktail on our list is Kir Royale, very easy to make. It's basically a sparkling version of Kir Aperitif, which was made in 1904 in Café George in France, in Dijon, by Felix Kir, which the cocktail is named after, who was mayor of Dijon at the time. So let's get started. First of all, we need Creme De Cassis, 20 ml, 3/4 of an ounce. You can just give it a little stir and then just top it up with your sparkling wine, about 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. Ladies and gentlemen, Kir Royale. Simple as that. Second cocktail we are making today is called French Martini. It was invented in late 1980s in New York by a man called Keith McNally. It's called French because of the French raspberry liqueur, Chambord. It's one of the ingredients, so let's get started. So first, what we're going to need is to fill our shaker with ice. Don't mind this. First ingredient for French Martini is vodka, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Second is Chambord, 15 ml, half an ounce. And last but not least, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce of pineapple juice, freshly squeezed. Now, we shake it 10 to 15 seconds. And strain into a chilled martini glass. Discard the ice, of course. Voila! French Martini. And you can't have a Valentine's Day without orgasms, can you? So third recipe for today is the Orgasm cocktail. Let's crack straight into it. So first we need old-fashioned glass with ice. Whoop. Start by adding 30 ml or 1 ounce of Amaretto directly into the glass. 30 ml or 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. And 30 ml, 1 ounce of cream liqueur, Baileys, Queen Margot, whatever. Give a little stir. It's a hexagonal glass, so here, and top it up with whipped cream. The Orgasm. And the fourth cocktail of the day is going to be Maiden's Blush. We're going to use a recipe that's a little bit different than the original. The original recipe is featured in the Harry Craddock's 1930 Savoy cocktail book. So let's get started. First, fill a shaker with ice. And start with 45 mils, 1.5 ounce gin. Followed by 20 mils, 3/4 ounce triple sec. Ten mils freshly squeezed lemon juice. Followed by dash of grenadine. And just a few drops of simple syrup. That's it. Give a little shake. And strain into a chilled glass. Look at that beautiful color. Garnish with a small lemon zest. Just drop it in. That's it. Maiden's Blush. Cheers. And guys, those were the 4 recipes which are perfect for Valentine's Day in my personal opinion. Hope you like them. Try them out, why not? You can't go wrong with these. So if you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe. Your support means everything. And that's it. Happy Valentine's Day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.